Post Affiliate Pro can be extended with virtually unlimited number of features through a powerful plugin system. This video will show you how you can activate features or plugins in your account. Navigate to Features to see a list of all features. Features are extensions that can be turned on or off. Your license grants you to activate some features for free, and some of them you will need to order before you will be able to activate them. If a feature is available to you, you can just click the Activate button. Now, I'll explain what some of the most used features can do. Action Commissions feature allows you to define per action or per anything commissions. This way, you can define commissions, for example, per user registration, per download, etc. Banner Rotator is a special type of banner that rotates other banners. When affiliate inserts a rotator to his page, the rotator displays banners that are assigned to the rotator, so the visitor will see another banner every time he visits the affiliate's page. Commission groups allow you to set different commissions for different users for the same campaign. Cost per mil commissions are a special type of commissions that are rewarded for 1,000 impressions, which means for displaying your banners 1,000 times. Multiple currencies allow you to track sales in different currencies. Multiple merchants feature allows you to have more merchants, so-called administrators, who can access Post Affiliate Pro. All admins will be able to see the same campaigns. Private Campaigns feature allows you to create private campaigns, which will be visible only to selected affiliates. Recurring Commissions feature allows you to reward your affiliates for recurring payments, for example, for hosting or membership. If you navigate to Plugins, you can see it's a similar type of thing. Plugins can enhance or change the behavior of the system, or add new functionality. If you want to turn on the plugin, click the Activate button. You can find additional integration methods for your site in our plugin directory on page www.addons.qualityunit.com. Integrations are usually done by adding a short HTML code to a special section in a product. Select your product from the list and read a step-by-step guide on how to integrate it with Post Affiliate Pro. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via email to support@postaffiliatepro.com or start a live chat conversation on postaffiliatepro.com. Thanks for watching.